Who is this? Pedro Esteban? Yes? Okay. Okay, I will be there. Shouldn't have let the driver go home so early. They have to wait till now to call. Child's probably dead.
Huh? Ben can drive for you.
I see that boy around the house. Seems to be taking his vacation both from home and school.
He's downstairs.
I thought he'd gone out again. Who's that girl you've been seeing?
I don't know.
It's not just warm. It's hot. Should have stayed on in Baguio. There's a disease suffering because Adam ate the apple. They must have an answer to everything. I'll be back.
Take care.
Come on, we're going somewhere.
I'll drive pa.
Okay.
Sure.
Somebody's waiting at me at the gas station. You know the place?
Yes pa. Let's go.
Battery's weak. Try it without the lights. You seem to have a lot of practice, Ben.
A lot of what, pa?
The way you drive. Very professional.
Tio Cesar let me use his car in Manila. Special occasion?
No reckless speeding now. Some people think it's smart. Give them a thrill. Don't be like that.
No, I won't, pa. I just like to drive and go place.
What was that book you were reading?
Biography.
Statesman, scientist, maybe.
It's about a guy who became a monk.
That's your summer reading?
It's an interesting book.
Can imagine. I suppose you'll go on to medicine after your AV.
I don't know yet, pa.
Don't have to be a country doctor like me, Ben. You could build up a good practice in the city. Specialize in cancer, maybe neurosurgery, and join a good hospital.
I've been thinking about it. It's a vocation, a great one. Being able to really help people, I mean.
You have done well in math, haven't you?
Well enough, I guess.
Engineering is a fine course too. There will be lots of room for engineers. Far too many lawyers and salesmen.
I have all summer to think about it.
There's no hurry. Okay, we're here.
We will have to go through those fields.
Okay, lead the way.
The river, though. Careful. We're here, Doc. Come in. Good evening, Doctor.
Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost.
Let us, Doctor.
I did everything, but it's too late. There's nothing more I can do instead.
Wait. I know this is not so enough. As you can see, we're very full. I shall bring you fruit chicken someday though.
I cannot thank you enough, Doctor. You have been very kind to come this far at this time.
Better go back, Esteban. You can find the way back. The trail is just over there, isn't it?
As you're always grateful, Doctor, and to your son too. God go with you.
It is the will of God, my daughter.
Baby baptism. Isn't it the name for it?
Yes, I asked the father. The baby hadn't been baptized. They were waiting for it to get wet.
Let's do the driving.
Okay.
Other people carried on like you, Ben. The priest would be run out of business. Now you'll have an angel praying for you in heaven. But what if you hadn't baptized the baby? What would happen to it then?
I won't see God. Hello?
But isn't that unfair? It's because
Maybe God has another remedy. I don't know. But the church says.
okay, we're here. Sorry for keeping you up this late.
It's alright, Pa.
Oh.
When that happened, what you did back in that barrio, there was just the slightest patronage. Your mother would love to hear that. Reverend Father